Amazfit GTR Mini Smartwatch for Women. The Amazfit GTR Mini Smartwatch for Women, designed by Amazfit, is a stylish and feature-packed wearable device that caters specifically to the needs of women. With its sleek and elegant design, it is bound to capture the attention of any fashion-conscious individual. What sets the Amazfit GTR Mini apart is its 1.28-inch round screen, providing a clear and vibrant display. This size strikes the perfect balance between visibility and comfort, making it easy to view notifications, track your fitness progress, and access other functions with ease. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its heart rate monitor. With the ability to continuously track your heart rate throughout the day, it helps you keep a close eye on your health and fitness levels. This is particularly important for women, as it enables them to monitor their heart rate during different activities, ensuring they stay in their desired heart rate zones.